Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system updates and enough storage. That avoids interruptions. Open the camera app and immediately switch to portrait mode. Swipe or tap the label. Once in portrait, pick a lighting effect like natural or studio to control mood and depth. Make sure the subject is within recommended distance. The phone shows guidance. You're now ready to frame your shot and refine settings before pressing the shutter for a crisp portrait. You frame the subject and use on-screen distance guidance so the bokeh algorithm works correctly. Once composed, tap to lock focus and slide to adjust exposure. This keeps skin tones accurate. If you want more editing latitude, enable Pro RAW, otherwise stick to HEIF. Switch between 1x and 3x to change composition without moving physically. Make sure live photo and flash states match your intent because they affect final motion and light. You capture the portrait using the shutter or a volume button for steadier pressing. Once saved, open the photo and tap at it to adjust the depth slider. This refines background blur and recovers detail when over-softened. If results look off, make sure the subject stayed still and lighting is sufficient because low light confuses depth sensors. If problems persist, clean the lenses and reattempt. Often that clears focus errors and restores expected portrait separation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.